Welcome to ABC News. This is Timothy reporting tonight from Singapore. Today, we are struck with the rising problem of air pollution. Air pollution are pollutants which are all around us, released into the atmosphere, and they bring much harm to our health and also bring much discomfort to us, our fellow friends, our fellow animals, and all other living things living around us. Let us have a closer look of air pollution at a national level. Look at their causes, impacts, and the measures we take to curb air pollution. Now, here in the streets of Singapore, the pollution standard index has rose to levels as high as 100. This air pollution in Singapore is a result of the forest fires in Indonesia. The forest fires in Indonesia have affected its neighboring countries such as Singapore, Malaysia, Brunei, and Thailand. The effects, which I will elaborate later. As of 6 p.m. in Singapore, the PSI to the has rose webs as high as PS8 index level. Between 101 to 200 are considered unhealthy. The forest fires started burning in the middle of 1997, spreading thick clouds of smoke and haze to Malaysia and Singapore. Governments and politicians have been stepping in to tackle such an issue, but all work seems to be in a vail. The 1997 Indonesian forest fires were caused mainly by slash and burn techniques adopted by farmers in Indonesia. Slash and burn has been extensively used for many years as the cheapest and easiest means to clear the land. Fire may also be deliberately used as a weapon to claim property on the islands and provinces where land ownership is not clear, an action taken by both smallholders and large operators alike. After burning out its previous owner, the smallholder or large operator plants their own crops there, gaining de facto control over the disputed land. But we cannot just blame everything on forest fires. As countries just like Singapore start to get urbanized, there's an increase in the use of motor vehicles, and these motor vehicles actually contribute to 80% of the pollutants in the air pollution we face today, thus causing numerous effects to our human health as well as acid rain. Air pollution also has numerous effects on human health, including pulmonary, cardiac, vascular, and neurological impairments. The health effects vary greatly from person to person. High-risk groups, such as the elderly and infants, pregnant women, and sufferers from chronic heart and lung diseases, are more susceptible to air pollution. Children are at greater risk because they are generally more active outdoors and their lungs are still developing. Exposure to air pollution can cause both acute, short-term, and chronic health effects. Air pollution also has a negative impact on climate change. Harmful emissions are not only polluting the air we breathe, but also contributing to the greenhouse effect, therefore increasing average temperature on our planet. Acid rains are yet another negative impact that air pollution has on our environment. Acid rains destroy habitats of many animals, pollute water by affecting their acidity, and in general do great damage to many ecosystems.